A fashion portfolio is a must-have for a serious designer. It is your calling card. It is your visual resume. And most of you don't know how to get it right. I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's get into it. A portfolio is not a mood board. It's not your favorite designs. It's not your art school project. It answers one question. Why should we hire you? Why should we hire you? And most designers answer that question completely wrong. Today I'm going to show you what a portfolio actually looks like and needs to be if you want employers to take you seriously. After my last video on how to get hired as a fashion designer, a lot of you asked, okay, but what exactly should be included in my portfolio? Great question. So let's break it down. Here's what employers actually do, okay? Here's what happens. A hiring manager opens your portfolio. You have about 30 seconds. They are scanning for brand awareness, technical ability, commercial thinking, professional presentation. They're not reading every page. They are scanning for signals. If they don't see professional signals fast, they move on. That's the reality. Section 1. Your portfolio must show brand thinking. Most beginner portfolio look like this. One edgy collection, one romantic collection, one streetwear collection, all completely different. That tells the employer this person designs for themselves. But companies need designers who can design within a brand. Your portfolio should show a clear target customer, a defined aesthetic, cohesive collections, logical product categories. If your work looks like it could belong in an actual real brand, great, you're winning. If it looks like random inspiration boards, you're not ready yet. Professional designers think in systems. Section 2. Show technical competence. This is where many portfolios fall apart. Beautiful sketches, but no technical flats. Interesting ideas, but no construction thinking. Employers want to see clean technical drawings, fabric choices that make sense, construction details, awareness of fit and function. Ask yourself, could this garment actually be produced? Could it be made? If the answer is, I don't know, that's a problem. Fashion companies don't hire dreamers. They hire designers who understand production. Section 3, show your process. Here's something powerful most designers ignore. Show how you think. You have to include development sketches, problem solving, the before and after improvements. When an employer sees your thinking process, they see potential. Because in the real world, designs change constantly. They're always changing. They're always changing. Every other day, a new idea. Oh, let's change this. Oh, let's change that. If your portfolio only shows polished final images, it feels academic. If it shows evolution and refinement, it feels professional. Section 4, make it commercial. Ask yourself, where would this sell? At what price point? Who is buying this? Who is your customer? You heard me say this over and over again. Who is your customer? If your portfolio doesn't answer these questions, it feels disconnected from reality. You have to include price positioning, customer profile, market awareness, comparable brands. That immediately elevates you because now you're not just designing clothes, you're designing products. Section 5, professional presentation. This part is simple, but it's critical. Clean layouts, clear typography, no clutter, logical order. If your portfolio feels chaotic, employers assume you are chaotic. Presentation communicates mindset. Keep it sharp, keep it intentional, keep it minimal. Confidence doesn't shout, it's structured. Here's the biggest mistake that most designers make. They build a portfolio to impress other students instead of building one to serve an employer. Your goal is not to say, oh, gee, look how creative I am. Your goal is, look how valuable I can be. This shift changes everything. If you build your portfolio this way, brand aware, technically strong, commercially smart, professionally structured, you immediately separate yourself from 80% of applicants. And that's not an exaggeration. Most designers never move beyond student level presentation. If you do, you move into professional territory fast. And if you're serious about becoming a fashion designer and you want real guidance on how to build a great portfolio, Sophia and I have created an amazing course, How to Create a Fashion Portfolio.
I'm excited to introduce our new course, How to Create a Fashion Portfolio, brought to you by Fashion Premier Academy.
In this step-by-step course, we will guide you through the entire process of creating a professional and compelling portfolio that fits your needs.
You will learn to define your brand and conduct competitor research, which sets the foundation for your entire portfolio.
Next, we will dive into developing a detailed customer profile. This step is crucial in ensuring that your designs resonate with the right people.
One of the most exciting parts of this course is creating a mood and color board. We will teach you how to choose a season and utilize industry resources. This board will be the backbone of your portfolio.
Understanding the right fabrics and their applications is vital in fashion design. We will guide you in selecting colors to add to your portfolio.
We will also walk you through developing a line plan. You will learn techniques like quick sketching and how to conduct market research.
Technical skills are crucial. We will cover CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design, and your choice of Adobe Illustrator or hand flats.
We will help you choose standout designs and bring them to life through fashion illustrations. Documenting your design process will showcase your creative journey and final results.
By the end of this course, you will have a stunning professional fashion design portfolio that showcases your unique design vision, your technical skills, and your creative process. It will be an invaluable tool whether you're applying to a fashion school or internship or a job.
Ciao!
We don't just talk about fashion, we talk about building a real future in it. And speaking of future, my book, Design Your Future, Be a Future Designer, is such a powerful and supportive tool to help you create your career and your life. Because your career doesn't happen by accident. You design it. It's not just about creativity. It's about how to think like a professional, how to build the right skills, and how to position yourself for a real career in the fashion industry. If you're interested, you can check it out. I'll include the information below. And if you're serious about becoming a fashion designer and you want real guidance and how to build your skills, your portfolio, your career, I created Fashion Premier Academy to do exactly that. You can start with the free mini course, where I walk you through the fundamentals that you need to build real industry-ready skills. Design your future now.